Okay, I got a confession to make. So for those of you guys who saw the vlog we put out on Monday, super fun vlog, basically just me going around the neighborhood with my brand new Snapper Simplicity snowblower, was a whole lot of fun to make. I was thinking, man, this is a really good video. So I went ahead, press send, got it out on Monday morning here. Then I watched it a couple hours after I put it out, and it hit me. I was like, did I forget something? No, I could have sworn I got everything. No, I swear, it's gotta be missing something. And then it hit me. I realized in the process of making this video and sending it out there, I totally forgot to feature a little 2-minute video clip that I shot on this exact same day, which was a couple of weeks ago, which probably explains why I forgot it. So I figured what I would do to make up for my forgetfulness here on YouTube sometimes is I would go ahead and roll said video clip here on 2-minute lawn tips. So with that being said, let's roll the video.
Okay, so quick tip to all of my friends out there who are using a snowblower, especially this type of snowblower right here, for an extensive period of time in the freezing cold, and you're going to have an extensive break with it before you use it again, which is my scenario right now. Just finished all my driveways, and I'm actually heading out to another subdivision to do a couple. It's very important that you clean it off, because the last thing you want to do is let all of this snow harden off or freeze, especially down here, because if you let that happen without getting all the snow out ahead of time and you go to engage the augers, bad news. You can snap a gear, can break something, especially when it's frozen. You don't want to be grinding gears together when things are frozen together. So yeah, make sure you get under here, your little brush it out.
So there you go, guys. That is your 2-minute lawn tip for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something of value as well. If you learned anything from it, I would just say keep that snowblower assembly clean, because the last thing you want to deal with is possibly having to replace that entire auger assembly, because I know you guys would rather spend your time clearing the driveways and possibly making some money in the process, especially if you're a lawn kid like me and you run a little business. The last thing you want to be doing is troubleshooting your equipment when you could be out using it and making some money, and on top of that, making your customers happy as well. So leave a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. If you have any questions, leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to those as soon as I can. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.